Well, you pay those premiums, and you expect your insurance to be there when you need it, like in a hurricane or other natural disaster.
You hope so, but what if you don't buy enough insurance? Our consumer lawyer, Eric Seidel, says that could lead to a disaster of another sort, really. Eric, this is getting a lot of attention lately.
It is, Kelly. Every year around this time, I ask homeowners to review their hurricane and flood insurance policies. But there's another policy you should look at. It's in the spotlight now, thanks to a celebrity lawsuit that's getting a lot of attention.
It's been a while since Hulk Hogan's fought to reclaim a title, but now he's battling to reclaim his finances, taking center ring his insurance coverage.
He was paying tens of thousands of dollars in premium dollars to provide him protection and to cover his back. He put his trust in them and they let him down.
Hogan suing his insurance broker, saying he was never advised to increase his coverage or buy an umbrella policy.
He's a public figure. He's in the news a lot. It would make sense that he had an umbrella policy, because if he is involved in an accident, which actually, did happen with his son, the lawsuit's going to be pretty hefty.
And it was. Hogan had to spend some of his personal fortune to settle a suit by the family of John Graziano. He claims it put his entire $30 million fortune at risk. An expensive lesson that's not just for the rich.
If there's a bad accident and you're at fault, you're going to get sued.
That's why South Tampa insurance broker Jeff Italiano says almost anyone can benefit from an umbrella policy. Your premium depends on your net worth. The more you have, the more you'll need, so the more you'll pay.
If you have one home, maybe two cars, you don't have kids at home, the policy could be as cheap as $300 a year.
So what do you get for the money?
$1 million, let's say, that goes above your auto insurance. It goes above the liability portion of your home insurance. If you have a jet ski, if you have a boat, an RV, it's additional liability coverage that goes above those policies.
So it takes whatever your limit is on those policies and expands it.
That's exactly right.
That's why it's called an umbrella policy. It provides coverage over all your other insurance policies.
It's a litigious society. Attorneys are going to get involved, and they're going to sue for high dollar.
Italiano says Hulk Hogan learned the hard way. Not having enough insurance can defeat the purpose of having it in the first place.
So once a year, I'd like you to talk to your insurance agent, not only to review your coverage for hurricane protection, but for all sorts of other liability as well. That's especially important these days when so many insurance applications are just done over the web. Kelly?
All right. Thank you so much, Eric.